Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking real estate. Now we present some videos when folks move out and after we get things cleaned up to present our property to be rented. We do these videos from time to time, keep our folks up to speed. Today is one of those occasions. Now a couple weeks back we did a video, I'll put a link to it in the description, where we had a group of folks move out and we took this property over, so we want to show you what happened with it. Now here is a photo of some pavers that we're having installed. We were unable to get that installed prior to the folks moving in. They've just moved in. We're going to get those pavers put in. But join us as we take a look at how this property finished up. Again, if you want to take a look at it before we got it, that'll be in the description. But let's take a look at how it looks now after we got it done and presented for rent and rented. Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome back to the channel. A couple weeks ago we got this unit, and so we wanted to come in and do some repairs on this. Of course, Orlando International Airport's going strong here this morning, but I wanted to give you a look inside what we ended up doing in here. This is a really nice one bedroom, one bath, 932 square foot place we've got here in southeast Orlando by OIA, as you could just hear. But this is a really cool little spot here. Just a neat little place. Really great situation with the yard in the back. A lot of conservation back in that area. So just a really cool spot. So we got this all painted. This is looking really cool. Now one thing we did do in here is we replaced the flooring, and we went with this vinyl tile. That's our first use of this. We usually go with the hard ceramic tile, but in this case we went with this vinyl tile in here. Man, it looks good. It really does. It really does look good, feels good. Just an upgrade. That other floor we had in here was just not, you want to refer back to the previous video we did when we took the place over, but it just wasn't in great shape, so we put this in here. Anyway, this rented. We didn't even have to advertise this. We had someone that we were aware of that wanted it, and they're moving in later today. But I just wanted to give you a review of inside. What a great looking place. Our first experience with this vinyl flooring, and so far it just looks super. It really looks super good. All right, folks, take care. We'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.